Okay. Let's try to solve some problems daw kuno na pwede na to siya ma-apply kaya formula. Okay? I have three problems din eh. I think I'll just choose one sa for now. Just a kuan lang kanang warm up lang gamay. We have square root of 1 plus x squared over x dx. Okay? I hope maklaro na ninyo dana. Anyway, natingon na niya klaseng expression. Now, ako ni siyang imon din eh, 1 is also equal to 1 squared ba? So, para mas kuan sila, duol ra sila. Tanawon. Now, kani siya na case diri, 1 squared plus x squared, it falls under sa kanina klaseng case, kanisina x is equal to a tangent theta. Okay? So, similar sa anin niya, it's a very, it belongs sa nga niya klaseng case lugar silbi. Now, I will let x is equal to unsa. Our a is equal to 1 ba? So 1 siya din eh. Times unsa man na? Tangent theta. Okay? So since 1 man siya diri, I'll just do without it na lang. So walay daw tanong gibuhat diri. X is equal to tangent theta. So dx mo din ta, that is equal to unsa? Secant d theta ba? So ako na sa transform na ko siya from one variable to another. So this becomes unsa? Integral square root of 1 plus 1 squared ni siya plus unsa man eh? Or 1 na lang ana. 1 plus tangent squared theta, di ba? Divide by x na to dito, which is equal to tangent theta. Dx is equal to secant squared d theta. Ba? So, nga niya itong makuha dayon na labas. Now, square root of 1 plus tangent squared. Saan mo na siya? B? 1 plus tangent squared. Naraman din eh, ba? Pythagorean identity. Secant squared is equal to tangent squared plus 1. So, tangent squared plus 1. So, pites na siya, ba? So, this is sec squared. Ba? So, this is unsa? Squared niya, square root pa yun siya. That means this is unsa? Sec theta. Ba? So, it becomes secant theta over tangent theta times sec theta d theta, di ba? So this can be kuana dayon secant cube divided by tangent theta d theta, di ba? Okay. Jot lang daw ba? Okay. I think mas healthy siya if I will retain kanilang na klase na form. Ba? Kasi ko mas healthy ni siyang ano na to. Because kulay ko din eh. Secant ako siya baylo dito anya secant squared. Secant squared is equal to tangent squared. Bi ako tagsa-tagsa na lang. Secant theta tangent theta multiplied by ano na siya? Secant squared is equal to tangent squared theta plus 1. This is d theta dayon, di ba? So ako din ni siyang ikuan. Kani siya i-divide na ko sabay kani kay para sa sa tangent. So ang kalabasan din ani siya dayon, this is tangent theta plus 1 over tangent multiplied by sec theta d theta, diba? So we have something like this na dayon. Now ang kuha na sa ang pwede mo na ni siya ha kay ato sa ikuan i-break apart na to ni siya, di ba? this will result into two integrals na po dayon. So it becomes then diri distribute now secant d theta. So sec theta tangent kini plus this sec over tangent theta. Okay? Gusto sa nako ni siya is simplify sa nato ni siya before ta maka move on. Okay? Ako sa ni siya simplify ang kanina term. I want to convert this I hope maklaro ninyong pula. Dili. Black lang siyang gamiton sa. I would like to convert this term sa. So secant theta over tangent theta. So kuha ni siyang imong dinig 1 over cosine theta, di ba? So kani siya diri 1 over cosine theta gyapon siya times sin theta, di ba? I hope maklaro na ninyo diha. So if that is the case dayon, then I can walaon ta ni siya. So we will just have 1 over sin theta, di ba? So 1 over sin theta, that is equal to sa cosecant theta. Ba? Cosecant ba siya? CSC. So in other words, this kani siya diri, ako lang siya ipadayon sa nato ni siya diri. This is secant theta tangent theta d theta plus CSC theta d theta, ba? Okay. Now, ako ni siyang i-answer na dayon. This should become unsa? Secant sectant ganyan sa integral niya, that is secant. Okay. Secant plus napatay CSC diri. What is the integral of CSC? I think that is ln CSC this should be negative na dayon. ln CSC plus cotangent theta. Then natay plus C dayon, atong classical na plus C. Now, we have an ongoing na issue na sa diri, di ba? We started with x, but we ended up with theta. We need to go back to x. Okay? So balikan sa tani siya daan din ang kwan kanina variable. How? We already have this, di ba? We let tangent theta is equal to kana. So I need expressions lugar dayon na pwede na to gamitan kang sec o kaning kwan dayon. Ba? So asa mo ko pwede magsulat ani? Diri. I just hope dari na lang. I just hope maklaro ninyo, okay? Maghimo lang ko danig line gamay, division diri. Okay, para gyapon. Okay. So x is equal to tangent theta, ba? Or we could just say there na tangent theta is equal to 1 over x. X over 1 rather. Ba? Tangent theta is equal to x over 1. So, gusto ko mag-construct sa triangle daw. Ako na siyang gamiton ng kanan na idea. Ba? Okay. This is theta. This is right angle. Diba? So, when you say towa gani, so katuwa itong kwanda niya, itong style. Okay? So, when you say towa, this is tangent angle opposite over adjacent. So our opposite here is equal to x. Our adjacent here will be 1. Now to solve for the hypotenuse dayon, let we just use na din katong Pythagorean theorem. So this should be equal to sa 1 plus x squared nya gi square root dayon. Ba? So we have something like this. So we have tangent. Na naman tayo tangent dari. Atong kinanglan kay sec CSC ukot. Okay? So tangent. Unsay inverse anang tangent gani? Dili arctan, okay? Dili arctan pero sa ngayon na kasing konteksto, I can say cot is equal to 1 over tangent, ba? Yung 1 over tangent, I'll just invert this. This becomes 1 over x. Oh, so na-take ko tangent. Now, next na to na issue na po, CSC daw ko og sec. Ba? Muingon kag CSC og sec dani, istorya sa tag-sine. Sine is equal to so, ba? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to x. Hypotenuse is 1 plus x squared. Na, kana. Okay? I just hope maklaro pa siya. So, cos dayon diri is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, adjacent is equal to sa 1. Hypotenuse is 1 square root of 1 plus x squared. So, this should be 1 over 1 plus x squared. So, natin yung nana. Now, I'll just need to invert this, ba? Because 1 over sine is equal to CSC. So, CSC theta is equal to x over 1 plus x squared. Cosine, baligyan po na ko siya, I will have sec. So, that is unsa. Oh, sorry. Bali yun dapat. This is 1 plus x squared divided by x. Kani siya, bali na ako siya. That should be 1 plus x squared over 1. Ba? So, I have something like this na dayon. Now, sa nga na case, I'll just plug this in, diri, and everything should be fine na dayon, di ba? So, second is equal to 1 plus x squared. Kana, naka-square root siya. Minus ln CSC is equal to 1 plus x squared over x. Cotangent is equal to plus 1 over x plus c. So this is our antiderivative dayon. Okay? Okay. So, nasa line problem diri, but ang itabuan ni siya iyahang power kay raised to the power of a fraction, ba? But nonetheless, i-observe diri na siya over 2. And when you're talking about over 2 gani, that means square root. Okay? Cube siya, pero square root dayon. Nga nang ang idea sa 3 over 2. Ba? So, I think mo fall under yapon siya class ani na klaseng case. Medyo na siya tricky gamay, di ba? Kay this does not follow the standard niya na form din in any of these three. But in truth, naragya pon siya ni mo mo hulog. Let's just try to find a way to find out kung unsa gid ni siya ang iya na type. Okay? At doon siyang hibalaan. Now, lisod ka siya tanawon, gusto na ko ni siya usban ang dagoy ani niya. Okay? So, before ko mag-venture sa pag-solve ni siya, let's try to do a little bit of algebra daw. I'll try to isolate this term. Ba? Nating nani. Di ko gustog samok. Ba? Ako ni siyang i-kuan sa. I-factor out lang sa na kung negative sign kay gusto na ako kaning x squared wala siya negative. Kay samok man. Diba? I'll factor this out and this becomes unsa x squared plus 4x plus minus na rin yung si 5 ba? So, nga na yung itsura na pod. Now, ako ni siyang i-kuan din diri. Hilot-hiloto na pod na ako ni siya. Kaning x squared plus kani siya 4x. Na ako idungag ani siya para mahimo ni siya kuan para maka-complete kog square, okay? Ako idungag ani siya nya nasad ko ibawas dayon. We have negative 5 here. Gusto ko magdungag dari sa yaha og kuan. Unsa? Plus 4 kaha ba? Kay kung ako ani siya i-divide ang kuan ng middle term, i-divide na ko sa by 2, ako makuha kay 2. Ba? 2 niya square na kuan 2, ako makuha kay 4. Okay, so this is the term we need para ma-complete ang square. So, kani siya diri negative 5. Ako siya imunog negative 9 para ma-maintain na ko ang quality sa equation. Because Positive 4 plus negative 9, that is equal to negative 5. Okay, so ako gibuhat daw tan diri. I'm just stretching out the the mathematics diri. So we have negative 1 diri. And kani din siya, intero, mahipos na ako na siya. Okay? X plus 2 squared minus 9 ba? But 9, square root ni 9 unsa man? 3 squared. So may mo siya 3 squared na yung nana. Oh. Natay negative nagatang gawa. So unsa man na siya, distribute na ko ni siya, negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, and this is our expression. Okay? Sige. If you dili mo ga trust kayo sa ako I think you can do a little experiment din to check if sakto yun yung gibuhat. Okay? If I were to substitute this with 0, when x is equal to 0, pila ko makuha na value diri? 5, ba? Kung substitute na ko din ni 0, then this is 2 squared, that is 4, ba? Minus 4 din siya, 9 din siya. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Okay? So, I think sakto ang gibuhat. Diba? Because 9, 3 squared minus kani siya diri. If x is equal to 0, that should be 9 minus 4. So, that is 5. 5 siya. Kung substitute na 0. So, I think sakto niyang gibuhat. Diba? Now, ako na rin siyang isulat din kay para dili na maglisod ang kinabuhi. Ba? So, this is unsa? 3 squared minus x plus 2 squared. Kana siya diri? 3 halves. Okay? So, I'll just erase this in order to make room para sa rest of the solution. So, I have something like this na dayon. Ba? So, this falls under the case of kini. Ba? Napatay issue diri gamay. Wala man tayong nana, sir. Kay naman siya plus 2, di ba? Sige lang, okay ra na. Sa manong himuna ni siya, mag let z. Ba? So I'll just let z dayon diri. Let z. Sabi, dari na butang. Let z is equal to the most complicated term sa atong expression, which is equal to x plus 2. I hope maklaro siya. X plus 2, di ba? So I'll just differentiate this and I will have dz is equal to dx. So this becomes unsa na sa dayon? Mausab na sa diyang porma ni. This becomes dz. So 3 squared minus z squared. Wow. So medyo na siya ni sayon, di ba? Sayon na din siya na mas sayon siya compared itong ganiya. Now napagitay ko din ni karon. This falls under the case of asa. First case na po din ta, di ba? So another substitution na sa dong imun din z, ba? Z is equal to unsa? This time atong a kay 3. Our x is z. So butang diri 3 sin mo na siya? Sin lagi. Sin theta, di ba? So next din ang muna siya, I'll differentiate this and I will have unsa dz is equal to 3 cosine theta d theta. I'll just plug this in dito and I can start working this out. This becomes unsa? The integral dz is equal to 3 cosine theta d theta. So 3 squared minus, kung ako ni siyang i-squared diri guys observe sa ninyo, z squared gani, that is unsa 3 squared unya sine squared punta. Okay, so I'll just substitute that sa tuang expression. I hope maklaro gyapon ninyo. So this is 3 squared sine squared theta 3 halves. Okay? So, ako na siya integral na sa din diri. Cosine theta d theta. Ba? 3, if gusto niyo ni siya ma-simplify ang kani siya na kwan, ako lang siya imuha og kwan separate dari na kwan treatment. Okay? 3 squared minus 3 squared sine squared theta, di ba? So, ako ni siyang himuon na po din diri o kuan. Factor out ko ni siyang 3 squared. Sige, apil lang ko ni siyang 3 halves. 3 halves ba? So, ako siya factor out ning 3. So, mabilin diri kay 1 minus sine squared theta, ba? 3 halves. So, kani siya 1 minus sine squared theta, asa gina siya mo fall under, di ba? That is unsa cos squared theta. 3 halves. Ba? So, ako siya yung din na po dugno nani. Gabi naman umano So, kani siya, kung square root ko na siya, sa may tabuan na. Cube. Di ba? So, ako ni siya cube na po dayon. This is sa 3 cube cos cube theta. So, ako siya i-plug in din dito. Di ba? So, this is 3 cube theta. Okay? So, I just hope na ma-observe ninyo ng kanan algebra. I'll just erase this to make room. So, less challenging na din siya. Wala ni siya, wala. So, this becomes unsa? Kani siya 3 squared, ba? Nya kani din siya cosine squared theta. Okay. So, this is unsa? 3 squared. Nya kani din siya din 1 over cosine gani. That is unsa? Secant. So, this becomes so, you have something like this na dayon, di ba? So, ako ni siyang i-bring down na pod and factor out 1 3 squared, that is 9. The integral of ba? That is equal to unsa? Tangent. Plus C. Ba? So, nasa take on din ni concern na pod. Let's try to go back kung asa tagikan na variable, which is ato ang x. No, agi sa ta z una, ayan rin mag-x dayon, di ba? So, I know, kini siya diri, ba? Z is 3 sine theta. So, when you say din diri na z is equal to 3 sine theta, sine theta is equal to unsa? Z over 3, ba? Ngano siya? Now, when that is z over 3 dayon, I can create a triangle na sad, ba? I can create a triangle. Right na triangle. So, ako lang para mas I'll just need a bigger one. Opposite na to, so man ni siya, SOH. So, sine opposite is z. Our hypotenuse is 3. And this side should be 9 minus z squared. Okay? So, I can classically say nandiyan diri na tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is z over 9 minus z squared. Okay? So, ako din siya plug in din balik dito sa tong expression. I replace tangent by kana siya. So, 1 over 9 multiplied by sa z over square root of 9 minus z squared plus c. And then I go back na din from z to x. So this becomes 1 over 9. Z is equal to x plus 2. 9 minus z squared, that is equal to 9 minus x plus 2, or pwede ko ito man-approve ganiya ay mo man siya ba ang 9 minus z squared, so na-prove man na ito na kani, so balik lang yapon na. Okay, so this is square root naman din siya dili karon. Square root of 5 minus 4x minus x squared. This is our final answer. Okay? Okay. So we have the third problem din siya dire. Okay? This is going to be a much more complicated na problem. So let's try to go this step by step. This will generally take a longer time good. So I hope you guys are prepared. Okay? So ang atong style ani saya dayon is we have this, ba? But do we have a form for that? I don't think so. Wala tay form para nasaya sa dire. Pero let's try to explore this daw. I have kanisya kuha sa ni siyang usab sa natong dagway ani niya. So let's try to do something about this. Okay? So can say na din x squared plus 2x. Ba? So kana is equal to kana. Obviously, that is correct. But nakoy gusto i-add ni siya na pwede siya maka-complete sa square. I would like to add plus 1. Okay? If I were divide now si 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. And I raise it to the power of 2, that is equal to 1. Ba? So, I plus 1 diri, and then I will deduct 1 upon. So, this becomes unsa? This can be compressed to become this. Okay? So, minus 1. Ako siya square. Okay? So, this is good na dayon, ba? So, we have x plus 1 squared minus 1 squared. Okay. I'll just posake one para medyo klaro. So, I'll just erase this na lang. Lang. Okay, so where were we? We have this na, okay? So I would like to simplify this further. I can let the z try this. Let z is equal to x plus 1. So dz is equal to sa dx. Okay? So that is equal to dx. If I were to try this, this should automatically become something like this. Square root z squared minus 1 squared times dz. Okay? So I have something like this. Okay? So masayon siya. It's a much more easier expression to manipulate. Now from z, I would like to convert that into, it falls under what case naman? This one, diba? Si second. Now, that is second, then I can just say that z is equal to, our a is equal to 1. So 1 second theta. Now dz, that is second theta tangent theta d theta. Okay, so I have something like this naman. So singana na case dayon, I'll just plug this in. I hope maklaro siya. I'll just plug this in, and it becomes what? z squared minus 1 squared dz is equal to, oh, sorry, z squared, that is secant squared theta minus 1 squared multiplied by dz, which is equal to secant tangent theta d theta. Okay, so this something becomes like this. Now I would like to simplify this term over here. Secant 1 squared, diba? This term, that is equal to what? Secant minus 1, I transpose this one there, becomes tangent squared. Square root. Diba? So it becomes tangent lang. Okay? So this becomes tangent theta, secant theta, tangent theta, d theta. Okay? So I'll just erase this. I'll gather the two tangents together and I will have tangent squared theta, secant squared this. Okay? So we have something like this naman. Now I would like to do a little bit of alterations for this, because tangent squared is equal to sec minus 1, diba? So squared theta minus 1 multiplied by this. Okay, so I continue on and I will have two integrals, which is equal to this, distributing sec cube d theta minus integral of sec theta d theta. Okay, so we're going to have another issue with this. Okay, allow me to create more space lang for this. Okay, so before we go on solving this, let's try to settle this integral first. Okay, so I'll try to solve this separately. So secant cube d theta. Okay, so in this case I would like to do something like integration by parts, ba? Let's try integration by parts with this. So this is sec theta times secant squared d theta. Okay, so let's go back to integration by parts. Now if I were to differentiate this, I will have sectan. Okay, if I were to differentiate this, we'll have extra long problem. Diba? Okay, but anyway, dili na ako siya, dili na ako siya sulat din eh. So ana lang, question mark lang sana siya. Mas complicated siya gawas kung ako siya derivative, di ba? So it's like let's try our luck daw. 2 secant theta times secant theta tangent theta. Oh my god, mas lisod siya, ba? If I were to integrate sec theta, that will result to ln secant plus tangent kini. Whoa. If I were to integrate this, and I will have tangent theta. Okay, so what combo will we choose? Kini siya or kini? Diba? If we choose this combo, that means we integrate this and we differentiate this. It will result in a very complicated na integration. Whereas if I were to differentiate this, it becomes more complicated for this case, but kani siya mas less complicated siya. So the magic combo here is this. Okay, so we let u be equal to secant. So we can have du is equal to secant tangent theta d theta. And we have dv is equal to secant squared d theta. V is equal to tangent theta. Okay? So, this is how we work na dayon. Work things out. So, this immediately becomes u times v. So, that is secant theta tangent theta minus v times du. Ba? So, the integral v is equal to tangent theta. Du is equal to sec tan. So, may deja vu dito. Ba? Na magbalik-balik magyapon siya. So, ato na lang ni siyang i-kuan. I try to combine this. Do ka tangent niya. Kani din siyang isa ka secant. So, I'll just make tangent squared there. Diba? So, ako na siya i-expound minus tangent theta ay tangent squared is equal to secant kani siya minus 1 secant d theta. Okay? So, I have something like this naman. I'll distribute secants to the entire expression to both terms. And I will have sec cube d theta. Negative times negative, that is positive. Secant theta d theta. Okay? So, we have this integral na lang dayon. So, di pa. We have this. Diba? I think we've handled cases like this before. Diba? We have sec cube is equal to kanisya minus sec cube plus kini. Ako siya ilabay dito spikas. So, this becomes times 2 integral. So, this disappears. This term disappears. And we are left with plus the integral of so nani siya ba? I divide everything by 2 plus 1/2. Okay, so I have something like this. Okay, so partial answer lang sa ni siya, dili pa ni siya ang final. We have proven that sec cube is equal to this expression. Okay, I need to erase this lang sa una and see how this goes. Okay, so we already know that sec cube is equal to kani, so let's just try to plug this in there. Okay, so this becomes sec cube is equal to 1/2 sec tan plus 1/2 of the integral secant d theta minus the integral of secant d theta. Wow. Okay, so medyo siya cumbersome dili gamay. This is 1/2 secant tangent plus this 1/2 minus 1/2 na ni siya. Wow. So we have an integral inside another integral. So I'll just erase this and I'll continue on with this. The integral of sectan, that is equal to ln. Okay, minus 1/2 of ln secant plus tangent theta plus c. Okay? So, we have this expression naman. Dayon. Lang ha. Okay. So, from there, nauman naman to sa itong integration na process. Let's try to go back to the original variable, which is x. Now, I say we have this substitution. So, from z, we have laisan ako ni siya diri. We have secant is equal to z over 1, di ba? So, z over 1. If I were to invert this, I will have unsa? Cosine is equal to 1 over z. I will construct a triangle. This is theta. Opposite, adjacent is equal to 1. Our hypotenuse is unsa? Z. So therefore, our opposite is equal to unsa? Z squared minus 1. Diba? So, I have cos. I need sec ug tan. I already have sec. I just need tan. So, tangent theta, that is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is equal to z squared minus 1 divided by 1. Diba? So, just substitute it here. 1/2 secant is equal to z over 1 multiplied by tangent, which is equal to square root of z squared minus 1 over 1. Okay? Minus 1/2 of ln secant is equal to z over 1 plus tangent is equal to z squared minus 1 over 1 plus c. Okay? I just hope na medyo mindful. I just hope it's still clear. I'll just erase this so I can make more space. Okay, so continuing on, we will have z actually equal to x plus 1. So, napani siya si Kwan. We have z is equal to x plus 1. Z squared minus 1, that is equal to square root of x plus 1 squared minus 1. So that is equal to unsa? X plus 1, x plus 2x plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to x squared plus 2x. Okay, this cancels out. So, nga nga itong gamito na logic na pod. Okay, so 1/2 of z, that is equal to z is equal to anara. Okay, z is x plus 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1/2 of ln z is equal to x plus 1 plus square root of x squared plus 2x. Okay, so kini atong final answer. Okay, so x plus 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1/2 ln x plus 1 plus x squared plus 2x plus c. This is our final answer.